Greetings from Radhakrishna. I was talking about Bridgital Nation. Bridgital Nation, this book has got one introduction chapter and 24 plus 16, totally 40 chapters. This book, Bridgital Nation, talks about bridging the rural and urban, bridging the gaps in various industries and various processes, which can enable $100 billion business for the technology companies and non-technology companies. So this is not just a book, this is a business plan, a $100 billion plan. So let's quickly look into the introduction. So in 2015, when we talked about the smart cities, people wanted the smart cities with continuous electricity, continuous supply of water, and a garbage pickup at least 2 days in a day kind of services in the smart city. Now, what about the smart nation? Smart nation altogether, we need a different set of services. We need a robust transformation or a basic transformation from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And we need electricity, we need jobs, we need access, we need quicker justice, we need fewer regulations to do the business. Ease of doing business is very important for any country. So if you quickly look at, we are doing a very good job in financial inclusion, especially payments. Payments are going to the rural, but payments plays a less than 1% of the role in the whole country. There are another 99% services which are supposed to go to the rural or penetrate in the urban itself. So let's look at one by one. How can we bridge the gap? Today, the country like India, we have enough human beings in the country, enough human resources in the country, and enough technology in the country. But the gap between the human capital utilizing those digital tools are not big enough. The digital is the answer, and how can I take this digital to the various places? Who is the bridge? That's what we are talking about, Bridgital. Bridgital is a bridge between the digital and physical. So let's quickly look into the various points. How can we take most of the technologies to the rural markets or the urban markets, capture the data? The most important factors are artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things. IoT is going to play a vital role in combination of cloud. All these technologies available on the cloud to the common man is the key. So Bridgital is not a technology. Let me repeat. Bridgital is not a technology. It's technology in the hands of rural people. It's technology in the hands of the process. Jobs and access are the vital requirement to the country today. Do we have jobs? Definitely, with the latest technology and lot of unicorns coming and lot of SME focus, there are enough jobs. But who is that one entrepreneur really going and taking all these jobs to the rural market or the urban market is the key. Can we build more everywhere entrepreneurs is what the key. AI and automation. AI and automation as a human aid. I want everyone to see AI and automation as a human aid, not as a competition to the human. So let's look at the digital maturity. Definitely we're at a level 1 in the digital maturity. It's a long way to go. It goes along with the GDP. So today if you look at GDP, $2,000, that is 1,40,000 is the per capita. By 2030 we are looking at $3,000. By 2050, we are looking at $5,000. However, the per capita growth is expected. Do we have enough digital tools? Can we supply the good access to the urban markets and rural markets? However, the growth is guaranteed with the current trend in India. If you look at currently, the range of differences in per capita, the Bihar, the per capita is $600. This is per annum. And Goa, the per capita income is $5,000. Within India, two states, see the kind of the gap. Can a Bridgital tools, can a Bridgital process go to Bihar and bring in more revenues and increase the per capita income for each citizen? At the same time, today we are seeing everybody is buying a mobile, everybody is buying a television, and everybody is buying digital devices for the entertainment. At the same time, the focus on the nutrition levels of the citizen is very low. So how do we bridge those gaps? Digitally we are growing, yes, but healthcare and nutrition levels of the citizen are not growing. So will there be imbalance? Definitely there will be imbalance. We have to constantly work on balancing. Now, in the next 10 years, we are expecting 9 crore citizens getting into the job market. 9 crore citizens getting into the job market. Do we have enough platforms to give such kind of jobs? If we don't serve the job market well, the expected unemployment is 6%. With a 6% unemployment, all these people will go into the low wage, low salary class. That again creates a huge gap. So how can we offer more tools and how can we bridge this? Bridgital is the answer. Bringing the technology into the hands of every citizen and enabling him to do a decent tech savvy job and make the data available is what Bridgital. So India is having a good problem. We have resources, we have skills. Can we bridge the skills and resources with the right tools? That's Bridgital. In simple words, in the Bridgital world, technology will not disrupt. Technology will add value to the citizen and makes citizen more powerful. And the answer is very clear. We have more women getting back into the job. It's unbelievable, women coming into the job in India can add 440 billion to the economy. So how can we empower women to get back into the job? What kind of tools do we need to give? What kind of regulations we need to provide? This is all about the Bridgital. Similarly, entrepreneurs everywhere. We can create entrepreneurs, but can we enable them to scale? The scale is possible only if we can adopt the digital. Yes, the women coming back into the jobs and creating more jobs and access through the technology using the IoT, AI, MI and the cloud, we have answer within India. In Sanskrit, there is a word called Antarlepika. Antarlepika means is a riddle where the answer is within the riddle. For a country like India, the answer is within the India. If we can come forward, use all the digital tools, empower the citizens, bridge the gap between the rural and urban, bridge the gap between skilled and unskillful, using the digital tools and the latest technology, the Bridgital is the answer. We need more Bridgital champions. I, TV Radhakrishna, has taken a oath to work on the Bridgital, bridging the rural and urban, working with a lot of technology companies, taking those technology companies and healthcare services and medical services, banking services, logistics services, judicial services to the every human is what my project, that is BMV.Money, and I am absolutely following the Bridgital Nation book. This is just an introduction. How can we do all these things in a sequence is what the next 40 chapters. I'll try and bring every point that is discussed in the Bridgital Nation for you so that all we like-minded people can come together and work towards the $100 billion additional services that we can bring through the Bridgital solutions. Thank you.